This is Ferzana Behramkamdin, who is currently working at FCB and Associates as and has been a solicitor for over 30 years. And so, Ferzana, can you give us a brief on what it is a day of working as a lawyer?
Okay. So, Yahan, I am basically the founder and managing partner of FZB and Associates. And I have partners who work with me, and I have colleagues. Now, the typical day of a lawyer is, if you do litigation, to check what matters you have in court. And if you don't do litigation, to see what meetings you have. And what kind of documentation you need to do, or what drafting you need to do, and to figure out your day, and you schedule your day to do whatever work, including your meetings, your appearance in court, etc.
So, what are the specializations available in working as a in a law firm? Sorry.
So there are different specializations, different law firms do different things. So our firm typically does a mix of litigation and non-litigation matters. Now, litigation means appearing in courts, in tribunals, in the High Court, Supreme Court, the various tribunals like the RERA Authority, the NCLT, which is the National Company Law Tribunal, things like that, the Debt Recovery Tribunal. Whilst non-litigation will encompass conveyancing, which is basically dealing with property documentation, buying and selling of properties, buying and selling of land or flats, leave-in licenses, etc. And it will also involve other corporate documentation, like maybe making draft documents or contracts for various clients, depending on what abilities and etc. What skills they want and what practice they want us to do. So it all depends on it's a mix of various things. There are other firms who do tax related work. There are people who do mergers and acquisitions. So every firm has its own profile, and every firm practices in its own way.
All right. So, what guidance do you look to give some students who are interested in working as a lawyer or in the different specializations within a law firm?
See, for a student to decide, unless a student is very clear as to what he or she wants to do at the college level, I would suggest that every student should do internships. So it's not enough just to have the academic knowledge, you should get practical knowledge. And therefore, internships are a really nice way to learn. You join a firm or you join a council, you experience different sides, especially if you join a firm which will allow you to be rotated between their partners. That will help, because then some partner may be doing litigation, some other partner may be doing corporate work, another partner may be doing conveyancing. So if you get a rotation between partners, you will get a variety of experience, and then you can decide what you actually want to do once you finish your study. But short-term internships, which today are the flavor of the day, which are like 1 month internships or shorter or slightly longer, are not really good enough for a person to realize what he or she would like to do in future. It doesn't give you enough time to learn anything in that 1 month period.
All right. So, thank you, Farzana. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for your advice
Thank
on
you.
whether how we can decide whether we enjoy working in a law firm or not. And so, thank you. I wish you good luck on your work.
Thank you so much. Bye.
All of those cases.
Bye.
Bye.